Hello friends, Books with Grandma here, and today I have a book called What's Your Favorite Animal? Eric Carle and Friends. Eric Carle. Cats. I have always liked all animals, but cats are my favorite. Tom Lichheld. Giraffes. Though meeting a giraffe is rare, you must be prepared not to stare. They're easily amused, so don't be confused. Just say, "Hey, how's the weather up there?" Mo Willems. My favorite animal is the Amazonian neotropical lower river tink tink. It's also the snake's favorite meal. Peter Zeiss. A blue carp. My favorite animal is the blue carp because it is a creature of hope. Chris Rashka. You may find her or him a little guy, too squishy, but I like the snail. Nick Brule. Behold the octopus. Octopuses are amazing. They all have 8 arms and 3 hearts. 3 hearts! That's amazing. Peter McCarty. Bunnies. I love bunnies. We have a bunny. His name is Mr. Hopper, and he's a real member of our family. He even chases after the dog and cat when he wants to play. Rosemary Wells. A dog on my bed. A dog on my bed right next to my head. A little bit fuzzy, a little bit fat. Nothing is more important than that. Position 1, position 2, position 3, and position 4. Lane Smith. Elephant. Elephants are my favorite animals, with or without hats. John Klassen. Duck. I like ducks. I like watching them walk around. Susan Jeffers. Horses. I love horses, the deepest black, the purest white, and every color in between. Stephen Kellogg. Cows. When I was a boy, I drew animals constantly, and I wallpapered my room with the pictures. My older sister had claimed horses as her favorite animal, so I chose cows. Aaron Stead. I like penguins. Penguins. I like penguins. I like how they seem confidently awkward on land, but then they glide so swiftly and expertly underwater. Lucy Cousins. Leopard. I love leopards because yellow is my favorite color, and their spots are so beautiful. The end. Thank you so much for stopping by. And remember, until next time, always, 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 always have fun.